Enterprises having intra-group service charges are often required to submit documentary evidences for these services. The KPMG Transfer Pricing Document Maintenance Tool is a secure technology that enables automated collation of emails and underlying attachments from multiple users. This solution enhances audit preparedness through informative and comprehensive dashboards relating to intra-group services. It creates a robust documentation process not only for past years, but also can be implemented in real time. Strong confidentiality features have been built to provide comfort to the onboarded users. The KPMG Transfer Pricing Document Maintenance Tool's intuitive dashboards are designed not only to enable submission of documentary evidences, but also facilitate justification of underlying benefits of intra-group services. With this solution, organizations can proactively manage their tax risks while maintaining confidentiality and enhancing efficiency.